Good morning everyone! I'm J. Michael, ang inyong motovlogger from the East, and welcome to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And para sa mga bago pa lang sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. And hit nyo din yung notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video na i-upload. Iiba ka pa ba? Doon na tayo sa nakasanayan na. And for today's video, bisitahin natin ang Cabiang Tunnel. Papunta tayo ng Maragondon, Cavite. Sino kasama mo? May hinintay pa tayo? Wala akong kasama, naandun.
Saan? Eh di wala, nagkulang yung hinintay namin.
Meron kasi tayong tatagpuin sa may sa may Jollibee, Rojas Boulevard. Yung kanto ng EDSA, Rojas Boulevard. Manggagaling kasi ng Tondo yon. Siya yung kasama natin. Ha?
Ano natin?
Tapos doon na tayo manggagaling, sabay-sabay na tayo. Pwede na tayong malis. Sige, tabi lang ako. Ano pangalan mo? June. Michael. Abangan nyo yung vlog nyo dito. Nakunan ko na kayo ng video.
Dala-dala ko eh.
Ang daming rider, no? Puro papunta lahat yan doon. Tayo naman papunta sa kabila. Grabe, daming rider.
First time lang namin gabi, anong malayo?
Malapit lang yun. I-check mo sa Google kung ilang kilometer.
Ilang kilometers yun?
Mga 77 siguro.
Ilang kilometers? Tanong mo yung Cabiang, ilang kilometers? Classmate ko, si Michael, si Sol.
Hoy.
Kasama niya si Len.
Len. Shy.
Sol. Si Linus.
So, ilan tayong motor? 4. Ano? Tara.
Pala yung timbre.
So ayun, on the way na kami ngayon guys sa Cavite. Nakompleto na yung aming team of 5. And ang plano namin is umakyat muna ng Tagaytay, and then akyat ng Twin Lakes, baba ng Nasugbu, and then doon na kami iikot papuntang Cabiang Tunnel. So most probably mga before lunch time nandun na kami sa aming destination, which is okay lang kasi masyadong maagap naman kung Cabiang agad ang punta natin. So meron tayong konting side trip. Ganda ng panahon, ano? Yan ang problema kapag bicycle, ayaw umistop. Sana hindi lahat ng bicycle ganyan.
Wala nga silang pakialam eh. Dapat hindi mo mahuhuli yan. Wala kang mahuhulihin yan eh.
Ayan, dire-diretso lang. Mas matindi sa kamote rider. So, dito na kami sa Bacoor. Cavite na agad. Sarap. Sarap magmotor. Actually guys, naging layas tayo nung tayo nagkaroon ng motor, ano? Nung tayo nag-umpisang mag-vlog, mas lalo tayo naging layas. Lagalag. Basta pag may nag-i-invite, go lagi agad tayo. So Tagaytay na to guys, Santa Rosa, Laurel, Nasugbu. Yes, we're here. And asan yung ating mga kasama? Sarap guys, ang lamig. Today is January 10, Sunday. So kaya ang daming rider, saka cyclist, ang daming tourist. Nakagandahan lang nito guys, madali tayong sumingit, ano, compare sa mga 4 wheels. Wow! So hindi tayo masyadong affected ng traffic. And then pagkatapos natin dito mag-stop over sa Twin Lakes, which is medyo nakakagutom na. Time check 9:42. Diretso tayo ng Nasugbu. And yung ating destination ay papunta doon. May shortcut doon papuntang Kabyang. At sigurado ako napakadaming rider doon. Anyway, masaya naman. Ito na ang Twin Lakes. Medyo feeling social tayo. So, welcome to Nasugbu. And I think mayroon checkpoint. Akala ko wala na, sabi ni Gian. Sabi ni Gian wala na.
Wala. Ano plano?
Ha? Sige. Taka.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I show let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Pinakasikat na tunnel sa buong Pilipinas, Cabiang Tunnel. Ang daming motorcycle guys kasi Sunday ngayon. So guys, ito tayo ngayon sa Cabiang Tunnel. Ayan, parang piyesta ng mga motorsiklo. Ang dami nagpipicturan. Ayan, may ang balik ng pulis. Kasi nagtatraffic guys. So yan ang sitwasyon dito guys pag Sabado Linggo. Medyo kukunti ang tao pag weekend. Pag weekdays, pag weekend, ayan, ang dami-dami. Ayan. Ayan, nandito sa kabilang side ng tunnel. Ang dami. Wow, ang ganda ng kalsada. So yun guys, galing na kami sa Kebyang Tunnel. And ganun ang situation. And bago ko makalimutan guys, yung mga bago pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may mga bago akong video na upload.
Run.
Kamote. Isang kamote.
Kailangan ko na mauna. Pag nagagalit. Okay. Oo.
Sige, ingat na lang.
Ingat ka. Advance na lang. Oo. Advance na lang. Pahinga ka rin. Ingat yun.
Hollywood Carson.